morning, guys. It's 8 here. What's up, you guys? It's Galaxy. Sorry, I'm a bit tired. Good morning, guys. It's 8 here. What's up, you guys? It's Go Dogs 41. What you guys been up to? So right now, you guys, I'm just getting ready for work. Just hanging out. Just trying to get things organized. I'm gonna be packing my lunch soon. And then we are going to see if some places have something that I need. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So I'll talk to you guys when I pack my lunch. You guys know what time it is? It's open set! Open up! And we got, what kind of coffee did we get? We got hazelnut. You got hazelnut. So that's what kind of coffee we got today. So we got hazelnut. Hazelnut! So right now, you guys, I'm just heading into work, so that's what I'm going to be doing. So I'll talk to you guys when I get to work. So I just got home, you guys, and I got my Christmas hamper from where I live, you guys. They usually drop them off at my place, so it's like nice of them what they did. So let's see what we got, you guys. Let's open up and see what we got. Let's do it, and then let's do this. So what I got from my township Christmas hamper, you guys, we got some raisin bran, tea bags, buns, sugar, lemonade juice, strawberry candy canes, thickened pasta sauce, oranges, which I love, the clementines. It looks like pumpkin pie. Mr. Maple. Peas and carrots. Toothpaste and bar of soap. Jam. Peaches. A ham, which is gonna be good. Oh, gonna be so good. Peanut butter, hot chocolate, green beans, pineapple, flakes of ham. What's in this box? Let's see. Ooh, Walmart gift card, which is nice. Like, wow. In this small little box, they Walmart gift card. Crackers, polka beans, instant coffee, spaghetti, cheesy, hamburger helper actually, pancake mix, yellow mustard, maple syrup, applesauce, 3 cheese ranch, medium cheddar cheese, a little stick of butter. Look how small that is, you guys. Milk, and eggs. A dozen eggs, you guys. We got potatoes, you guys. We got toilet paper. Carrots. Apples. Onions. Turnip. Oh, my favorite turnip. Cucumber. Romaine lettuce. Broccoli. Ooh, broccoli, so good. Green grapes. Grapes. And tomatoes. And I don't know what's in this box right here. Let's see. We got 1,000 puzzle. Hat and a nut warmer, I believe. I don't know. Hat and nut warmer, I think. I don't know. Mittens. Some mask. Bed sheets. Ooh, a couple though, which is nice. DVDs, you guys. DVDs. Color pencils. Markers. Coloring book. Glow sticks. Glow stick. Glow stick. Pen. Candy. A shirt. Okay, a shirt. Okay. Pants. Okay. Okay, what's in here? Let's see. Let's see what's in here. That's kind of weird. Makeup, nail polish stuff. That's kind of weird. Okay. What is this? Boot socks. Okay. And a stuffed animal. Okay, that bag was really weird. I don't care. I'm happy whatever I get, you guys. Hey guys, so right now, you guys, we are just cooking up some eggs and some, we are going to put some, probably some tuna, I'm going to put some tuna in. Yeah. Let's put some tuna in. So, where are you, tuna? Yeah, tuna. And we're gonna make some breakfast wraps. Yes, we are gonna make some breakfast wraps, you guys. So that's what I'm doing. There's the wraps, you guys. It looks so good! So I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow with a brand new video. Goodbye.